Hello friends, welcome to another video series on my YouTube channel. And in this video series, we will learn image classification using Tensorflow. In this video series, we will take a look in depth of all the required steps to create image classifier, like loading the data, developing the model, and last, training the model. In this tutorial series, we will understand how to use TensorFlow API documentation. Whenever I look on YouTube for any coding tutorial, I go directly into the description and see whether there is a GitHub link for the code or not. So don't worry about it. The code used in this tutorial series will be available on my GitHub, and the link for it is in the description of this video. Also, there is a small README document on my GitHub repository, so you can take a look and understand how to use the repository as well. Now, let's first see the database we are going to use. We are going to use Intel image classification data, which is on Kaggle, and this was the data set from one of the competition on Analytics Vidya, and it has 6 classes: building, forest, glacier, mountain, and streets. And we have around 24K images. These images are segregated into train, test, and prediction section. Also, in the upcoming videos on my YouTube channel, we will develop image classification model using PyTorch and Fast AI on the same dataset. So watch this space for more such kind of videos. It takes great efforts to develop this kind of material on my YouTube channel. So if you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel and share this video series. It helps. See you in the other side of the video series. Peace.